Hi, so today we're going to look at the definition for subtraction. So the definition, for or of subtraction. So part of the definition of subtraction is that we'll see that subtraction is the inverse, and I'm using this word inverse because we've learned about the inverse of properties and identities, but we'll also look at how subtraction is the inverse of the addition operation. So what do I mean by that? So my definition says that if I have a minus b, so I'm using this minus sign as the subtraction operation. This is defined as a plus, but this b is actually the inverse. So there's a slight subtlety or distinction here where this symbolizes the inverse, hence the negative symbol. So this is the negative symbol, but this is the minus or subtraction symbol. So there's a little bit of convention where sometimes we take this for granted that the minus symbol and the negative symbol is related to each other, which it is, but over here, it on the left side, it symbolizes that a minus b is the operation, but a plus negative b is accounting for this inverse. So why is this important? Well, part of the idea is that we can talk about inverses, right? So so we can change, let's say we have the problem 1 minus 5, right? So I say 1 minus 5, this is equal to 1 plus negative 5, right? So, and if I had to simplify this problem, this will give me negative 4, right? Let's look at another example. Let's say I have 3 minus 2. Well, this will equal to 3 plus negative 2, right? And this equals to 1. And let's look at one more example. So let's say I have the variable x and I say minus y. So we can also do this between variables. This is just equal to x plus, and then in parentheses I put negative y. And then we would leave this in this simplest form. So we see from this definition that subtraction is connected to the inverse of this element. And a and b are my real numbers inside of my set.